Bharat Mata ki Jaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Jaya Shri Ram, Jaya Sitaram Jain, other gods ki Jaya, Nari Shakti ki Jaya. Hello, good day, God bless you ladies and gentlemen. I am Sarath C, coming from Kallara, Nedumingada, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. The Bharatiyan welcome to Sarath C Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel. Today, in this special international level seminar, we will discuss one of the most important yet often unseen professions in the world of aviation, the job and life of air traffic controllers, ATC. This is not just a career profile, but a detailed investigation into training, responsibilities, lifestyle, challenges, stress, and the real human story behind air traffic control, explained in pure documentary style for worldwide viewer. Introduction: The invisible guardians of the sky. When people look at aviation, they often admire pilots, cabin crew, and aircraft technology. But very few realize that behind every safe takeoff and landing, there is an air traffic controller, sitting in a tower or control room, ensuring that the skies remain safe. Air traffic controllers are known as the guardians of the sky. They do not fly planes, but they guide pilots, manage aircraft separation, prevent collisions, and maintain order in the busy airspace. Without ATC, aviation would collapse into chaos. What is air traffic control? Air traffic control is a service provided to pilots by trained professionals to ensure that aircraft fly safely and efficiently. ATC operates in control towers at airports, area control centers, and radar facilities. Controllers use radar screens, communication systems, and digital tools to keep track of every aircraft. They provide instructions such as altitude changes, route adjustments, takeoff and landing clearance, and sequencing. ATC is divided into three main parts. 1. Aerodrome control. Tower control manages aircraft on the runway, taxiways, and during takeoff and landing. 2. Approach control manages aircraft arriving or departing within about 30 to 50 nautical miles of the airport. 3. Area en route control manages aircraft cruising at high altitude between airports. Each role is critical, and controllers must coordinate seamlessly to ensure smooth operations. Training and qualification. Becoming an ATC. To become an ATC in India, candidates must clear exams conducted by Airports Authority of India (I). Educational qualifications generally include BSc, Physics, Mathematics, or Engineering. After selection, candidates undergo rigorous training at CATC, Civil Aviation Training College, Allahabad or other training centers. The training includes aviation regulations, meteorology, radar operations, communication skills, and simulation-based exercises. Controllers must master the phonetic alphabet, aviation English, and standard phraseology to avoid misunderstandings. Unlike pilots, ATCs do not face financial costs for training. However, the selection process is very competitive, with thousands of candidates for limited seats. Job and responsibilities. A day in the life of ATC. The daily job of an ATC is extremely demanding. From the moment they sit at the console, they are responsible for managing multiple aircraft simultaneously. Imagine handling 20 to 30 aircraft in the same airspace, each moving at 800 km per hour, and ensuring they maintain safe distance. Controllers constantly communicate with pilots. 1. Giving takeoff and landing clearance. 2. Monitoring aircraft on radar. 3. Ensuring separation standards, usually 5 nautical miles horizontally and 1000 feet vertically. 4. Coordinating with other ATC units when aircraft move from one sector to another. 5. Managing emergencies such as engine failure, medical diversions, or bad weather rerouting. 6. Every instruction must be accurate, quick, and clear. A single mistake or delay can lead to mid-air collisions or runway accidents. This is why ATC is considered one of the most stressful jobs in the world. Stress and lifestyle of ATC officers. Air traffic controllers work in shifts around the clock, because aircraft operate 24/7. Controllers may work early mornings, nights, weekends, and holidays. Their job requires high concentration, sharp memory, multitasking ability, and emotional stability. Stress is a major part of ATC life. Handling hundreds of lives per decision can cause mental fatigue. Controllers are required to take regular medical tests, psychological evaluations, and rest breaks to ensure they remain alert. In many countries, controllers can work only for 2 hours at a stretch before taking a mandatory break. Family life of ATCs can also be challenging due to odd working hours. Many struggle with sleep disorders, hypertension, or anxiety if they do not maintain proper health routines. Salary and career growth. Despite stress, ATCs are well compensated. In India, starting salaries for ATCs are around 7 rupees 12 lakhs per year, increasing with experience. Senior controllers and managers can earn 20 rupees 30 lakhs annually. Internationally, ATCs in the US, Europe, and Middle East earn much higher salaries, sometimes exceeding $150,000 per year. Career progression includes moving from junior ATC to senior controller, watch supervisor, ATC manager, and higher administrative posts within I or ICAO related organizations. Psychological challenges, the human side. ATCs are trained to remain calm under pressure, but they are still human. The constant demand for perfection, accuracy, and fast decision-making can create mental strain. Many controllers describe their job as hours of boredom followed by moments of extreme panic. When an emergency occurs, like engine failure, hijack, or sudden bad weather, ATCs must take split-second decisions that can determine the survival of hundreds. This heavy responsibility can sometimes lead to burnout or early retirement. Importance of ATC in modern aviation. Without ATC, aviation cannot function. In 2017 alone, more than 4 billion passengers traveled worldwide, and today, the numbers are even higher. Imagine thousands of aircraft crossing each other in global skies. It would be impossible without precise ATC guidance. Modern ATC is becoming more advanced with satellite navigation, ADS-B systems, and artificial intelligence tools, but still, human judgment remains essential. Technology can help, but final responsibility always lies with the controller. Future of ATC, automation and AI. Many believe that artificial intelligence will eventually take over ATC functions. While automation can reduce workload, experts agree that human controllers will always be needed for judgment, adaptability, and handling unexpected situations. The future may see a hybrid system where AI assists controllers in routine tasks, but humans remain in command. Respect and recognition. Although passengers rarely see them, ATCs are among the most respected aviation professionals. Pilots often acknowledge that without ATC, safe flights would be impossible. Controllers are silent heroes. They guide thousands of flights daily, ensuring that aviation remains the safest mode of transport in the world. Conclusion: the real life of ATC. The life of an air traffic controller is a blend of stress, responsibility, and pride. They are the unseen backbone of aviation safety, working tirelessly behind radar screens while the world enjoys safe flights. The glamour may not be visible like pilot uniforms, but the respect is enormous in the aviation industry. ATCs represent the perfect combination of discipline, quick thinking, and dedication to human safety. For those who aspire to join this profession, it is a career of immense responsibility but also immense honor. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining this advanced international seminar on the life of air traffic controllers. Please like, share, and subscribe to Sarath Aviation and Rail Knowledge channel for more aviation and railway knowledge. God bless you all.